Okay, so right now, as you can see, the phone is charged. Now just put a SIM card inside just to be sure that it's working. So let's do that. So as you can see, it has picked. So we'll just go ahead and change the SIM slot and see if it will actually work with the two SIMs. So first of all, we'll open the two down screws. The other one is on too. So just go ahead and power the phone. So the phone is off. So I'll just go ahead and open it. Okay, so let's open it up. Just like this. So first off, we'll disconnect the battery, then the screen is after this. Then here is the SIM slot. So we'll just go ahead and loose and take this one off. So once this one is out, we just pick the other one, then fix it back, just like that. Okay, so we are done, just like that. Put the screen back. So put the battery connector back, then we'll turn the phone on. So once the phone is on, just go ahead and try. So first off, let's go to the settings and see if there's any changes. So go to about. Now as you can see, front SIM and back SIM. That means this actually works. So moment of truth, just put SIM card inside and see. So as you can see, these are two SIM cards. So put one just like this, the other one at the back. Put it inside. And voila, as you can see, it has picked two SIMs. You can see this one and back SIM. This is the front SIM and this is the back SIM. So one of the SIM card is locked. So just go ahead and unlock it. This is primary SIM and secondary SIM. This actually works. Let's try making a call. It's working. Wow, this is great. Okay guys, that's all for today. If you like this content, consider subscribing for more. Bye.